So today we are going to see how this Gmail sync feature works on Care, where any patient can sync their lab reports or any medical reports directly on the Care app via Gmail. Okay, so the patient needs to have this Care app into their mobile. So once they open this Care app, okay, so I'm just opening it. So this is how the app looks here. So where to find this Gmail sync function? So in the records below, you can see there are some 5 icons: completely home, doctor's journey, and records. So if you click on records, it will open up a page something like this here. So it will show all your previous medical records of the patients with the documents if you uploaded anything by themselves, or if some records which are available on the Gmail. Okay, so how we can get that sync? So on the top there is an option, you can see save records with ICA. So if you just swipe it to left side, okay, so you can see there is an option called as sync Gmail to view all your medical records. So here we need to tap on this bar. Once you just click on that, it will show up something like this. So here you can see it is showing like sync your medical records from Gmail to ICA's secure vault. So it has a selected option, that is email addresses and medical terms. So it will search from email addresses like @apollo.com or srllabs.com or rxdx.in, and medical terms like CBC, LFT, lipid, or it can be related to any other things. So it is the most recommended by our team. So if just by email address we need to fetch medical records from Gmail, you can also select that. But here we will just keep on that, and we'll click on this sign in with Google. Once we just click on sign in Google, it will load up something like this. So we have to, like, Care wants to access your Gmail account. Okay, so this will allow Care to view and your email messages and settings. So we have to give this allow button. So it also talks about the trust and regarding the safety of the data. Okay, so once you just click on allow, okay, so it is trying to sync and it is trying to search. Okay, so it is Gmail is syncing, it is showing below this button. Okay, so let the Gmail do the work. Okay, Care is trying to search medical records if we have any. Okay, so let us just wait for a few seconds. It will give a list of the medical records it has any. Okay, since it is my personal mail ID, which has somewhere around some thousands of emails, so it might take little time. So you can just give certain time for it, and once it is done, you will get a pop-up like how much medical records it has able to sync. Okay, with the count. Okay, so this is how you can sync your Gmail with Care. And from the next time onwards, if any medical records comes into the Gmail, automatically it will land in the Care app. Okay, yes, so that's it.